Ikigai. The Japanese secret recipe for happiness. Why do some people know what they want and have a passion for life, while others languish in confusion? How does it inspire people to stay active till the very end? Ikigai in Japanese means the source of value in one's life or the purpose that make one's life worthwhile. Our Ikigai is different for all of us, but one thing we have in common is that we are all searching for meaning. When we spend our days feeling connected to what is meaningful to us, we live more fully. Our Ikigai is hidden deep inside each of us, and finding it requires patient search. Once you discover your Ikigai, pursuing it and nurturing it every day will bring meaning to your life. Many Japanese people never really retire. They keep doing what they love, as long as their health allows. The happiest people are the ones who achieve the most. One thing that everyone with a clearly defined Ikigai have in common is that they pursue their passion no matter what. They are the ones who spend more time than others in a state of flow. Concentrating on one thing at a time may be the single most important factor in achieving flow. When we leave urgency behind, life and time take on new meaning. In Ogami, a village in Japan, the lifestyle of locals is intense, but relaxed. They seem to be busy with important tasks, but on closer inspection, they do everything with a sense of calm. They are always busy, but they occupy themselves with tasks that allow them to relax. They were always pursuing their Ikigai, but they were never in a rush. 100% of the people were interviewed keep a vegetable garden, and had fields of tea, mangoes, shikuasa, and so on. And they have fish an average of 3 times per week, and grains are the foundation of their diet. At least 7 types of fruits and vegetables are consumed by Okinawans on a daily basis. The easiest way to check if there is enough variety on your table is to make sure you're eating the rainbow. A table featuring red peppers, carrots, spinach, cauliflower, and eggplant.